Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. Create new solid layer, add the name background, okay. Move to behind of layer, let's delete background Photoshop layer and color fill. And let's choose color. Okay, this is not bad. Click OK, select background, Ctrl D and add name builds and change color, dark yellow. Okay, so go to solo and go to math tool, rectangle, and let's create random rectangles like this. So click session tool and unsolo and select pen, move to down and select these buildings, press P and move to left and go to FS presses, search effect reptile, choose reptile, CC reptile, use for buildings and expand right. Let's create like this and create new passing keyframe for buildings. Let's choose animation seconds 8, press N for work area and move to left. Let's see. Okay, and we can expand right for more. And in this time, let's go to shape layers, hold Ctrl and rectangle tool. Let's create one rectangle like this and color, use black and move to behind of pencil. Okay, let's select this pencil and move the anchor point to down and press R, open rotation, create rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, chain rotation like this. Let's write -4, go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page down for go to 10 keyframes and right here 4. Okay, select keyframes, make it easy and hold alt, click time icon for open expression and go to play button, property and loop out duration. Okay, it works. So select keyframes, hold alt, move to right. And in this time, let's go to pen tool. Let's add one line here, click session tool and go to fill, turn on inside color, turn off and change stroke width and color white. Right here, line, move to behind of pencil and select this line, press S, click this icon and change. Let's go to window, open animation, comes to 3 anchor point mover and move to right and change scale 0, create scale keyframe and go to last second, change 100. Let's see. Nice. Also, let's choose this line, color, black, and this shape layer, change color like this. Very nice.